My name is K. Uma Maheshwari from MSc Biochemistry second year. I am going to ask some MCQ questions. First question. The most useful test for diagnosis of acute hemorrhagic pancreatitis during the first few days is option A, urinary lipase test, option B, serum calcium, option C, urinary amylase, option D, serum amylase, option E, serum inorganic phosphorus. The answer is option D, serum amylase. Second question. The best test for acute pancreatitis in the presence of mumps is option A, a serological test for mumps, option B, virus isolation, option C, serum amylase, option D, urinary amylase, option E, serum lipase. The answer is option E, serum lipase. Third question. The slow moving fraction of LDH is typically increased in patients with option A, cerebrovascular accidents, option B, acute myocardial infarction, option C, acute pancreatitis, option D, acute viral hepatitis, option E, peptic ulcer. The answer is option D, acute viral hepatitis. Fourth question. Which of the following enzyme typically elevated in alcoholism? Option A, serum ALP. Option B, serum GOT. Option C, serum gamma GT. Option D, serum acid phosphatase. Option E, serum LDH. The answer is option C, serum gamma GT. Fifth question. Patients with hepatocellular jaundice as compared to those with purely obstructive jaundice tends to have option A, lower serum ALP, LDH and AST activity, option B, lower serum ALP, higher LDH and AST activity, option C, higher serum ALP, LDH and AST activity, option D, higher serum ALP, lower LDH and AST activity, option E, none of the above. The answer is option B, lower serum ALP, higher LDH and AST activity. Sixth question. If results of the serum bilirubin, serum ALP, LDH and AST determinations suggest obstructive jaundice, the best confirmatory test would be the estimation of option A, serum ALT, option B, serum 5' nucleotidase, option C, serum protein electrophoresis, option D, serum pseudocholine esterase, option E, none of the above. The answer is option B, serum 5' nucleotidase. Seventh question. Which enzyme estimation will be helpful in differentiating the elevated serum ALP found in obstructive jaundice as well as in bone disorders? Option A, serum AST, option B, serum ALT, option C, serum LDH, option D, serum gamma GT, option E, all of the above. The answer is option D, serum gamma GT. Cardiac muscle contains which of the following creatine kinase enzyme? Option A, BB only, option B, MM and BB only, option C, MM, BB and MB all three, option D, MB only, option E, MM and MB only. The answer is option D, MM and MB only. Ninth question. Liver and skeletal muscle disorder are characterized by a disproportionate increase in which of the LDH isoenzyme fraction? Option A LDH1, option B LDH1 and LDH2, option C LDH3 and LDH4, option D LDH2 and LDH3, option E LDH5. The answer is option E LDH5. 10th question. On the third day following onset of acute myocardial infarction, which enzyme estimation will have the best predictive value? Option A serum AST, option B serum CK, option C serum ALT, option D serum LDH, option E serum ALP. The answer is option D serum LDH. 11th question. Serum AST activity is not characteristically elevated as the result of option A myocardial infarction, option B passive congestion of liver, option C muscular dystrophies, option D peptic ulcer, option E infectious hepatitis. Option D peptic ulcer. 12th question. On which day following acute myocardial infarction, the estimation of serum AST will be of greatest significance? Option A, first day, option B, second day, option C, third day, option D, fourth day, option E, fifth day. The answer is option B, second day. In which disease of the following organs isoenzymes LDH1 and LDH2 will be released in plasma? Option A kidney, red blood cells and liver. Option B heart, kidney, red blood cells. Option C heart, kidney, liver. Option D heart, lungs, brain. Option E liver, red cells, brain. The answer is option B heart, kidney and red cells. 14th question. Rise of which serum enzyme activity 4 to 8 hours after acute myocardial infarction is characteristically seen? Option A AST, option B ALT, option C LDH, option D CK, option E gamma GT. The answer is option D CKMB. Which serum enzyme activity will be useful to establish myocardial infarction if the patient is seen after 3 weeks of suspected attack? Option A AST, option B LDH, option C gamma GT, option D CK, option E GOT. The answer is option C gamma GT. 16th one. An increase in the LDH5 isoenzyme is seen in the following except option A muscular dystrophies, option C breast carcinoma, option D pulmonary embolism, option E prostatic carcinoma. The answer is option D pulmonary embolism. Thank you.